stop what you are doing right now. If you have been refreshing the Apple Store page, waiting for that elusive, rumored new Mac Mini, I need you to listen to every single word of this. You are about to save yourself a massive headache and possibly a huge amount of money. We have all been sitting here, watching our current computers struggle to keep up, waiting for a summer release that simply never happened. Everyone assumed it was just Apple being Apple, the classic Apple silence strategy we have come to expect. But the truth is much bigger, much deeper, and honestly, a lot more alarming. Apple isn't just being quiet. They are trapped in the middle of a multi-billion-dollar, high-stakes war that is shaking the foundation of the entire tech industry. This isn't just about a shipping delay. It is about a global, brutal scramble for resources that has left even the most powerful company on the planet fighting for scraps. Let's talk about the AI gold rush. Right now, every major tech titan from the cloud giants to the social media empires is in a frantic, no-holds-barred race to build massive, power-hungry AI server farms. To feed these digital monsters, they are buying up every single high-speed memory chip on the market. It is a total supply chain nightmare, and it has put Apple at the back of the line behind companies throwing billions of dollars at suppliers with no questions asked. Even Tim Cook has hinted that the current supply situation is incredibly tight, a polite way of saying the world is running out of the components needed for personal computing because they are all being funneled into data centers. If you don't believe me, test it yourself. Don't take my word for it. Open a new tab, go to the Apple Store, and try to configure an M to Mac Mini with 32 or 64 gigabytes of RAM. You literally cannot do it. They are gone. This is a massive tell. When a company is calculated as Apple pulls these configurations, it means one of two things. They are completely starved for the components, or they are aggressively clearing the decks for a massive hardware pivot. We have to accept that a summer launch was never going to happen. The supply chain leaks now point toward a major reveal in October or November of 2026. This isn't just a minor refresh. It is looking like Apple is planning to drop a massive desktop nuke on the market this fall, likely launching the new Mac Studio alongside the Mini. When you look at what is coming, the long wait might actually be worth it. We are expecting the new M5 and M5 Pro chips to be the heart of these machines. While the standard M5 will handle your daily tasks with ease, the M5 Pro is shaping up to be a complete monster. We are talking about major jumps in processing power. But the real star of the show is the neural engine. Early, confidential tests show that the AI processing capabilities are going to be 3.5 times faster than the current generation. Think about what that actually means for your daily life. You will be able to run complex AI models locally on your desk. No more server busy errors, no more paying monthly subscription fees, and no more handing your private data over to cloud companies. This is the era of the local AI workstation. Beyond the raw power, Apple is finally listening to the complaints that have haunted them for years. The base model is expected to start at 16 gigabytes of RAM, officially killing off the 8 gigabytes configuration that everyone loved to hate. Even better, the starting storage is doubling from the pathetic 256 gigabytes baseline to a much more respectable 512 gigabytes, with the Pro models potentially starting at a full terabyte. This is the upgrade we have been begging for. Plus, with the introduction of Thunderbolt 5, we are looking at data transfer speeds that were, until now, only found in enterprise-grade gear. Of course, this jump in performance comes with a price tag. Because of the global memory chip shortage, the cost of parts has skyrocketed, and Apple is passing that cost down to the consumer. Expect the entry price to jump to $699 or $799. And the Pro version to hit somewhere between $1,299 and $1,399. It stings, especially since we were also used to the $599 price point. But when you look at the baseline specs, 16 gigabytes of RAM and 512 gigabytes of storage, you are getting a machine that is fundamentally more capable than anything in its price bracket today. In my professional opinion, this upcoming machine is going to be the most important desktop Apple has released in a decade. It is not just a box on a desk. It is the device that bridges the gap between a standard home office setup and a high-end AI research workstation. If you are a creator, a software developer, or just someone who is tired of their computer sounding like a jet engine every time they open a browser, this is the hardware that finally makes sense. It is a premium product designed for the next 5 years of computing, not the last 5. We are moving away from the era of good enough computing. We are entering an era where your local machine needs to be an AI powerhouse. Apple knows this, and even though they are losing the short-term battle for chips against the data center giants, they are setting up the long-term win for the user. They aren't just selling a computer. They are selling your entry pass into the local AI revolution. Is the higher price tag worth it? I think it is. I would rather pay $100 more for a machine that doesn't bottleneck my workflow than save $100 on a machine that feels outdated the day I take it out of the box. We have been playing the 8 GB RAM game for way too long, and it is time for that to end. This fall is going to be insane. We are going to see a total shift in how these machines are perceived. The Mac Mini is about to stop being the budget option and start being the smarter option. Stay tuned, because as we get closer to the October event, I am going to be digging into even more of these leaks. We aren't just watching a product launch. We are watching a shift in how Apple handles its entire ecosystem. If you liked this video, if you want to stay ahead of these tech shifts, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Share this video with a friend who is currently frustrated with their slow computer, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss the next deep dive. We are just getting started, and you do not want to be caught off guard when these specs become official. See you in the next one.